Hey, DIY. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace a rusty sink drain step by step. Don't worry, it's easier than you think, and you'll only need a new pop-up drain assembly from your local hardware store. Here's what the old drain looks like before we replace it. Now, let's look underneath the sink. Here's the old drain assembly, and here's the brand new one we'll be installing. What you, LL, need: new pop-up drain assembly, Plumber's putty, channel lock pliers, plastic container, cloth. Step 1. Remove the old drain assembly. Start by loosening these two nuts and remove the U-shaped pipe. Have a bucket or pan under the sink, because a little water will spill out. Next, pull this piece completely off. Now reach around the back, squeeze this little metal clip, and push it away to release. Loosen this nut and slide the rod out. Unscrew the large nut holding the drain in place. If the whole pipe starts spinning, push the drain up from above and stick a screwdriver or pliers handle inside the drain to hold it steady while loosening the nut below. Take off the old metal or plastic ring and the rubber washer. If the washer is stuck, use pliers to pull it free. Finally, push the drain body up and out from the sink. That's it, your rusty old drain is out. Step 2, install the new drain assembly. While the drain is out, take a minute to clean around the sinkhole. Now look closely at your new drain. Some models assemble differently. For mine, the top unscrews and installs from above. Drop the drain body into the sink from the top, then screw the top piece back in place. Tighten the nut underneath until snug. Step 3, install the pop-up rod. Take the back nut off the rod assembly and slide it over the long end. Insert the short end of the rod into the drain opening. Screw the nut back on to secure it. Test the rod by flipping the lift lever up and down. It should open and close the drain smoothly. Slide the metal clip onto the rod. Hook it through the lever bar, then slide the clip fully into place. Adjust the bar to a different hole if you want the drain to sit higher or lower. Step 4, reconnect the pipes. Reinstall the nut and washer onto the drain pipe with the threads pointing down. Slide the slanted washer into place. Then reinstall the U-shaped trap. Tighten both nuts securely. Step 5, test for leaks. Turn on the water with the drain open and closed. Check carefully around all the joints. If you see drips, just tighten the nuts a little more. And that's it. You've successfully replaced your old rusty sink drain with a brand new pop-up assembly. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more DIY plumbing tutorials right here on the channel.